What's up, guys? All right, so I'm gonna give you another quick exercise. So this will be a progression of all the shoulder stuff we've done. This is gonna definitely burn. I promise it's gonna burn. It's very simple, very easy, no equipment needed. All right, so you're at home, you're sitting down, you're in your chair, you're watching TV, whatever. You got your leisure time going on. So you can bang these out real quick, right? I don't even know what these are called. They showed me this in physical therapy. I just know what it looks like. So, like I said, we're rebranding physical therapy. Maintenance exercise. I'm gonna call these the Vegetas, right? Because this is what Vegeta looks like when it shoots the Big Bang attack. So, in case you feel me on this one. So basically, keep your shoulder down, relax. We're gonna do one side at a time. So let's say we start with the shoulder down, relaxed. So you're just gonna put your hand out, and you're gonna widen your fingers, and you're gonna imagine like you're pushing against an invisible wall, right? Or shooting a fireball like Vegeta, right? So tense your hand, widen, you're pushing against the wall, right? Your shoulders are down and back, and then you're just gonna push forward, pull it back. Push forward, pull it back. You wanna keep the shoulder down the whole time. Don't lift. You might wanna start doing this. No, gotta keep it down. Control, motion, mind-body connection. Forward, back, forward, back. Switch sides, right? Left side, shoulder down. Hand is against the wall. Tense your fingers, everything's open. So you're pushing. Bring it back, straight line. Keep an eye on what you're doing. And then when you get good at it, you can like close your eyes. See, I lost my focus for a second there. Forward, back, forward, back. You're gonna feel cracks, you're gonna feel pops. It's gonna start burning. If it becomes too much, like I said, do as many as you can in the set, up to 10, 12, whatever. Like I said, don't worry about numbers. Do as many as you can. Come back to it once in a while. Make it part of your routine. So that's it. Let's do those Vegetas. Do some big bangs. Keep that pressure going too. Make sure the palm is still against the imaginary wall and still pushing against it. You need to visualize it. Nothing else in your body is moving except the shoulder, that one arm. Keep that hand locked. Back, forward, back. And that's it. Simple exercise. Make it part of your routine. Make it part of your maintenance. Your back will thank you. Your shoulders will thank you. Your traps will thank you. Everything will thank you. And you'll just feel better. All right?
Super Vegetas Big Bang Attack!